Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing Bitcoin, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, FXPipCollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on Bitcoin, it definitely looks like this most recent price session is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, one thing I wanted to point out on the monthly is this is also a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. So that means the first 5 waves is either a wave A or 1. This move down right here is either a wave B or 2. And we're currently either at a wave 3 or a wave C. If it is a wave C, when we end this wave 5, potentially this is going to go down in a huge move, maybe even all the way back down below these lows, which is definitely possible, especially if this is a wave C. Now, on the other hand, if this really is a wave 3, then what's more likely to happen is it probably will turn down, but it will end up making a higher low, and just continuing the uptrend. And if it is a wave 3, then it will likely go to at least 161% Fibonacci extension of wave 1, projected out the bottom of wave 2, which is probably someplace around the $200,000 mark and maybe even higher. So I know a lot of Bitcoin enthusiasts are going to be waiting for the potential wave 3, that's for sure. Going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think it's very clearly a 1, 2, 3, 4, and in a wave 5 right now. So keep that in mind. Let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we're definitely going down pretty strong, but I think the wave 1 is here. I think this is a big expanding flat wave 2, and then this is a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, a 3 of 3, and we're likely in a 4 of 3, and eventually I think it's going to go back up for a 5 of 3. And this is only going to be the wave 3, so probably it's going to have to make a bigger correction for the wave 4 and another push up for the wave 5 just to finish off that weekly time frame wave 5. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last impulsive move up. This move down to me is very clearly a trend. So I think that this is most likely a wave A, which means that it probably will turn up, but the move up is probably more likely a B, which is a correction to the wave A, and probably back down again eventually for the wave C. Probably something like what you have over here, like a 1, 2, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves down. If it goes down, 3 waves down to any one of these two Fibonacci levels, then that makes a nice engulfing move to the upside with a nice breaker structure, then that is exactly what I would be looking for another entry to go long, potentially for the continuation of this uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, so we are definitely in a downtrend, and if it does end up breaking some of these structures, then that most likely is telling us that the wave A is over. Once it breaks structure, you can take your Fibonacci retracement on this move down, because the next move up should be a wave B, which a wave B should be a correction to the move down for the wave A. So put your Fibonacci retracement on the wave A, look for a Fibonacci bounce for the end of a correction for potentially the wave C. Now tomorrow is elections, presidential elections in the US, which definitely is going to affect Bitcoin, and pretty much everything across the board is going to get affected. So definitely be careful over the next 24, 48 hours. There's going to be lots and lots of volatility in the market. Right now, this totally looks like it needs to make an ABC correction and end up continuing the uptrend. Probably a wave 4 of wave 3 based on that daily time frame analysis that I was just showing you guys. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.